Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Capricorn. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, if you have any doubts or if you want some answers, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that may clear your doubts or answer some questions you have in your mind, guys. Capricorn, so let's start with this reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have house, ship, and ring. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Capricorn, you are trying to stabilize your career situation or build that strong foundation in this relationship, guys. So you are putting in a lot of efforts, doing your best, working hard. But you need to understand, guys, if you want a strong foundation, you need to do things in a correct way. Maybe for some of you, you are doing things just like you did in the past, maybe, but today your circumstances have changed, and if you want a better potential towards success, or if you want things to change not like the past, you need to change your ways also. You need to think differently, act differently, and have that different point of view or perception in your situation. So all your preconceived ideas or notions are not going to work today, guys, are not going to help you. You need to move out of your comfort zone, do things differently. And when you do that, you are in a new adventure today in your life, and it is a new journey. You see things differently, and you are learning things in a different way today in this relationship and even in your career situation, guys. And you are enjoying more freedom. And today maybe you are in a circumstance whether you need to listen to your ideas or listen to someone's ideas in your career. You have to see things differently and go for new ideas, make your own choices, and navigate your own way towards success. So these cards call for make a new move today, guys. So it may be in your career or it may be in your relationship. So you have to give up your old ways and adapt to the changes, adapt for your situation. And also, guys, Capricorn, there are beautiful positive changes coming your way. And maybe in your career you are making the right choice today, guys, and you are landing some positive opportunities in your work situation, something that gives you lucrative returns, something that pushes you towards your dreams and goals, guys. And even in this relationship, you are moving towards commitment, and this person loves the way you have changed or the way you are handling your situation. So I see commitment or marriage with this person you love, guys. Maybe they love the way you have changed. So that is the reason they are accepting your proposal, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards, Capricorn, for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Capricorn, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people. So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.